I recently discovered a very useful walkie-talkie when I was out playing. As long as there is a signal, it is not limited by distance, and it is very convenient to talk up to 6,000 kilometers. And its body is only 24 millimeters, very thin and light, easy to carry. It is also equipped with a 6,000 mAh ultra-large capacity lithium battery, which can be used for many days on a single charge, so you don't have to worry about charging. In addition, this walkie-talkie is also very waterproof. It is dust-proof and moisture-proof, very suitable for outdoor play or working in bad weather conditions. If you are also interested in walkie-talkie, please leave a message and contact us to buy it. Next, I will show you the details of the fuselage. If you have any questions, you can leave a message and contact us at any time. Our team will respond as soon as we see the message.
What?